Here are 3 things God will do when He's trying to protect you from marrying the wrong person. Number 1, by stopping the relationship before it even starts. When you're submitting to God's leading, He will direct your path and lead you where you need to go so you don't miss His plans for your life, as Proverbs 3:5-6 explains. Number 2, God will protect you from marrying the wrong person by giving you strength to reject a bad relationship. One of the main reasons people get trapped in a bad marriage is because they lacked the strength in dating to face the red flags and give this relationship up. Sometimes our hopes outweigh our willingness to face the facts. And number 3, by making your Christian beliefs an issue for the person you are thinking about marrying. God will literally cause division between you and this person regarding your faith in Jesus as a way of showing you this is not the person He wants you to marry.